Hi there, welcome to my class. Our title is using factoring and simplifying fraction. For complete reduction of fractions of fractions the or complete reduction of fractions, comma, the numerator and the numerator and denominator denominator of fraction must be decomposed and then reduce. For complete reduction of fractions, the numerator and denominator of fraction must be decomposed and then reduced. Now I'll give one example. For example, reduce by the end. Reduce. Now there is a fraction 2x to the power of 2 plus 3x y minus 2y to the power of 2 over over 2x to the power of 2 minus 7xy plus 3y to the power of 2. Now what we do? We factor or we decompose the numerator and denominator. For this reason, we should find a number that is adding this one and subtract this one. So this is 2x to the power of 2 plus 4x, because there is 4xy, because there is 3xy, we add one more. Now we should reduce one. We should deduct 1 minus xy minus 2y to the power of 2. And for the denominator, what we do? We write 2x to the power of 2 minus 6x y, because there is 7xy, we should write one here, minus xy or 1xy. 1 and 6 becomes 7 and 4 minus 1 becomes 3 here, and plus 3y to the power of 2. Now according to the factoring law, what we do? We take common 2 by 2, this first 2, and the second 2, and these 2, and this 2. In this, the first 2, what is common? Here is 2 and x is common. 2x common factor. Now what remaining here? 2 is out of the factor. Now remaining x plus 4 divided by 2 become 2y. And here the common is minus y. Minus y is common. Now what remaining here? Minus times minus become plus x, and minus times minus become plus 2y. And in the denominator, in these 2 is common, and also x. Here remaining x minus x minus 6 divided by 2, 3y, and here minus y is common. What is remaining? Here x, and here minus 3y. You know these reduction, this factoring from the previous lessons. If you forget it, you can refer to previous lessons. Now here, both of them, what is common? X plus 2y. X plus 2y is common. Now here, what's the meaning? 2x minus y. And in denominator, x minus 3y, both of them is common. X minus 3y, and here what is remaining? 2x and minus y. Now we reduce 2x minus y with a 2x minus y. What is remaining here? X at the numerator, there's x plus 2y, x plus 2y, and in the denominator x minus 3y. Now we see that big fraction reduced it to this small fraction by using the factoring or the composition. Example. Another example. Simplify. Simplify using factorization. Or using factoring. Simplify using factorization. X to the power of 3 minus 1 over x to the power of 2 x to the power of 2 plus x minus 8 times x to the power of 2 minus 4x plus 4 over x to the power of 2 minus 4x plus 3 times x to the power of 2 x to the power of 2 minus 9 over x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 plus 1. Now what we do, we try to factor the numerator and denominator. Now here this is equal to, first one, x to the power of 3 is 1 factor is x minus 1. You know these from the identities and also from the factoring. And the other one is x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1. And the denominator is not factorable. Denominator is x to the power of 2 plus x minus 8 times. This is a minus b whole square, that is equal to x minus 2 to the power of 2, or x minus 2 times x minus 2. You can write both. And here it is x minus 1 and x minus 3. X minus 3. Because minus 1 plus minus 3 become minus 4, and minus times negative is positive. 1 times 3 is 3. And here what we do, we can write times x to the power of 3 or x minus 3 times x plus 3 and here what we do, we can write this one as a x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 2 or plus x to the power of 2, 2x to the power of 2 and plus 1, because we subtract, there is x to the power of 2, but we write here we have one more, we should subtract this one, x to minus x to the power of 2. Now this is equal to, what we do, we reduce x to the power of 3 with the x to the power of 3 and x minus 3 to x minus 3 and x minus 1 and with x minus 1, and what is remaining here? The remaining x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 over x to the power of 2 plus x minus 8 here times x minus 2 to the power of 2 over, here is nothing because 1 and 1 become 1 times x to the power of x plus 3, here only remaining, and here what we can write? We can write here x to the power of 2 plus 1, x to the power of 2 plus 1 square. You can write this one as a like x to the power of 2 plus 1 square. If you don't know how we did it, you should refer to the previous factoring lessons. Now it is again, it's equal to x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 over x to the power of 2 plus x minus 8 times x minus 2 to the power of 2 over 1 times x plus 3. Now this is the form of a square minus b square is equal to x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1, and then second one is x to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. Now this one will reduce with this one, and there is not any more reducible. Now what we do, we multiply the numerators with the numerators and the denominators with the denominators. It is in the multiplication form of x minus 2 to the power of 2 times x plus 3, and the numerator x to the power of 2 plus x minus 8 times x to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. This is the final result. We cannot reduce more than this. And this, I think, this 2 example is enough for this lesson. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends. And please press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a wonderful day and nights. Bye bye.